Hello students, in this today's lecture we will see the one of the third practical from the Android development lab. In this particular lecture we will see how to develop our own music player with the help of Android Visual Studio. Okay, for this particular you have to first require the three basic components. One is the seek bar, another is the text box, and two command buttons. Okay, the here is the GUI is here. When the particular song is paused, then song is paused, this type of message is come under the text box. Okay, and knowing the status of your song is displayed with the help of these seek bar. Here you can see that the 10% of song is completed. That's why the blue region indicates that your song is completed near about the 10%. Okay, play button is there for playing the song, and pause is the button for stop the song in between. Okay, next, while pressing the play button, this particular message is come song is playing. Okay, and after pause, song is paused. This type of message is automatically displayed to the end user. Now we will see how exactly the code of this app is done here in the package. This is which I have already told. Package space com.example music player is the name of the file in which you have created the code. Then import android.media player. Okay, these are the import files. Okay, here the OS bundle, OS handler, activity, menu, these all import statement are created automatically. Okay, whenever the components you are taken for the GUI, such as from the bottom text view, seek bar, and button, the automatically these import android dot widget dot button is automatically called. Okay, now we will see the code for which we have to require the inheritance property, that is public class main activity.java is your main file, which is extended from the main class activity, and implements on click listener. Here we have used the on click listener also. Normally implement is used for the multiple inheritance property, extend plus implements. Okay, this is the object seek bar space seek bar button, play button, pause button. Okay, media player is player, text view is text shown. These are same as like INDA, INTB, INTC, same in C. Okay, in the same way this particular components we have to declare here, so as whenever you use these components, they are known to the compiler of the Android. Okay, that's why these four components are displayed. Okay, then at override is the method for a protected void on create. After creating the particular button, the super on create button or the method is called set content view r dot layout dot activity underscore main. The XML particular file is called by the content view. Get initialization method and updation means what? Whenever your songs is paused at 50%, and after clicking on the play button, after that the your song is started from the 50%, not from the 0%. Okay, next, the private void get init method seek bar find view by id or id seek bar. These are the buttons which calculates your seek bar position. Play button is automatically captures the seek bar position. Pause button will pause the playing of the song. Then depending upon the event generated in the play or pause button, the text view will displayed according to that. Okay, play button dot set out click listener. This particular keyword is used to capture the play or pause button activity. Okay, then next seek bar dot set max player dot get duration. Whenever your song is a maximum set for the 3 minutes, then automatically this particular song will be completed at the 3 minutes. Okay, you can do the setting of minimization or the maximization. For depending upon that, your seek bar length is either increased or the decreased. Okay, next one, runnable is the class, run is the object equal to new runnable. Here is the creation of the object. Public void run is the method. Seek updation, whatever may be the updation, it is continuously uh, captured by this method, run method. Okay, then private void seek updation is another method which includes set progress of the current position. Okay, seek handler dot post delayed run comma 1000. For knowing the variation in the song or the playing the song, the 1000 millisecond is the pause given by the post delayed method. And for at the override method, public boolean on create options menu space into the bracket menu. Okay, get menu inflator in dot inflate dot r dot menu dot main comma return true. Okay, inflate the menu, this adds the item to the action bar if it is present. Okay, if particular song is you have selected, then automatically it is played there. Okay, if the particular song is completed, then the particular song is automatically paused there or the stop there. Public void on click view argument 0 switch argument 0 get id. For continuous flow of the song, this particular switch statement is used here. Case rid dot play button text shown dot set text equal to song is playing player dot start. Whenever the start method is called, up till now the song is playing. Okay, and the another case is that when the particular player dot pause method is called, then the viewer can show the message song is paused with the help of text view button. Okay, this is all about the coding section of the this particular app. You can write the code and test it on yourself. Okay, I will show you the real time example or the running of this music player. Whenever you, these are the text box. Okay, play button is here, pause button is here, these are two command buttons, and this line is nothing but the horizontal line is nothing but the seek bar. Whenever I am pressing the play button, the song is playing now. Okay, in between you can pause the song. On the same basis you can forward the song also. Okay, play. In this way you can create or select your own song for this music player. Okay. The care must be taken that whichever the mp3 song you have selected, it should be stored into the same folder as you have created that folder. Okay, Thank you for this one.
नवे नवे गीत हे मनाचे धडकन नवी छेडूया जिंदगीला नव्याने देऊ चेहरा हा स्वप्नातला
Okay, friends, study and try this particular app. Okay, if you have any query, then please comment. Okay, I will provide you the solution. Thank you.